at the heart of me, and it grips me physically, dragging down so far below. And it's a violent vertigo, digging it in like a parasite, feeding off what I keep inside. Manifest when I'm throwing trust to the cold and the nebulous. Something's changing, rearranging, may just beginning my own surgery. Something's changing, rearranging, me amputating what I no longer need. Just beginning my own surgery. Now cut away everything and tear away everything, amputating what I no longer need. Cut away everything and tear away everything.